Hello, hello. Test, test, test. Okay, wait. Can you guys hear me real quick? Testing, testing. Okay. I'm curious if there's... I have a guest mic now, but I don't know if I should switch my main mic out with the guest mic. This is mic 1, testing 1, 2, test, test, test. This is a different microphone. This is my Re20. Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2. New microphone, a little bit less background noise, I think, but I don't know if this one sounds better or worse. It's a little louder too. I could probably turn it down a bit. Hold on. Mic 1, hold on. Test, test. This is microphone 1. This is my baby bottle. Test, test. Microphone 2. Test, test. This is microphone 2. There's probably not like a substantial difference between the two. We need to see if it picks up rocks and dryer. Let me see if I can do a background noise test real quick. One sec. Okay. This is mic 1. Can you hear the music in the background? It's quiet, but can you hear it? Yes, it's quiet. Okay. This is mic 1. This is mic 2. Is the music louder, quieter, or about the same? This is mic 1, or this is mic 2, this is mic 2. It's about the same, still louder, about the same. Test, test. This is both mics on. Okay. All right. So this new microphone isn't really that much different than in character than the other one. I wonder if my baby bottle would benefit from throwing a cloud lifter onto it for the gain. Mic 2 sounds more muffled. I don't know if it's muffled. It's just it's a different character, a different type of sound than the because it's a dynamic mic. It's like you have to speak right into it. It's very different than this mic. This is I think an opener, more open design. I don't know if I'm fucking. Mic 2 is the Riz mic. Test, test. Why is it picking up the background the same then? I don't know. Good question. It just does, I guess. Is this the SM7B test? No, this is the Re2020. Sorry. Test, test. This is the RE2020 right here. And then this is the baby bottle right here. I think the baby bottle is a good mic. I don't know anybody else that uses it, but it seems like it's been a good mic. Test, test. I guess I can look at the levels to see if it's picking up background noise. They sound the same. They sound pretty similar. Yeah, they do. This one might sound different when I start screaming though, but I'm not sure yet. Also, if I speak away from the mic, it's probably a bit different. Is it really that much different? I don't know. They are, I guess they do sound pretty similar. Baby bottle's better at filtering background noise. I would expect that this mic here, the Re2020 or the Re20, should be better at filtering since it's a dynamic microphone. That's what I would imagine. Maybe if I set it up over here, it'll sound a little different. I'm not sure. Try calling us a dumb bitch. Scream. I can't because some people are sleeping here. My schizophone, I can't hear any difference. They do sound really similar. You're too close to the new mic. It's a dynamic mic. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be like right up to it. Like, I don't think this is correct. I think I'm supposed to be like right here, right? Why are you changing my speaker? I'm not changing it. This is just going to be a secondary mic that I'll have for somebody sitting here. But I also, but I might change it. I might change out my main mic if there's a better one. I've got an SM7B one coming too, but I don't know how that'll sound. Try being really loud. Pop filter for the new one. I think this top assembly is like a built-in pop filter. I don't think you actually need one for this microphone. Pop, 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 pop. Sounds a little bit better when you're further away. I mean, I can be further away from it. Testing, 1, 2, test, test, test. Testing, 1, 2. I have to get a, this actually does kind of sound better. Wait, testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Okay, so this is microphone 2. This is microphone 1. I really like the sound of the baby bottle. It's a really good microphone. This mic is really good. Testing, 1, 2. The Re20 sounds good too, though. Testing, testing, 1, 2. The baby bottle does sound good. I wonder if I like the SM7B much. Test, test. This is with both. We could do like ASMR streams. Test, test. Testing, test, test. Test, test. Test, test, test. Wait. Testing, test, 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 test. We can do like some crazy panning, guys. Wait, do you get stereo here, or did I like mix this into mono? I can't tell if you can hear like a stereo mix or not. Can you? Test, test. Oh, it's mono. I think it auto mixes to mono for you guys. Fuck, hold on. Why did I do that? All right, hello, hey, what's up? Welcome to the DGG Nation. Now you can hear left and right? Testing, test, test. Ooh. Test, test, testing. Mirror camera. Oh shit, it's... Oh, well actually I don't have to mirror it, I could just do... Hello, hello. Welcome to the DG... Oh my god. Guys, everybody free hamster. Okay, so this mic actually does sound pretty good when I'm back here. I probably need to up the volume a little bit. I am speaking really quietly right now. But I have the compressor. I bought a second channel strip. So I've got the compressor settings. How come it doesn't echo weirdly when you speak at the same time? Why would it? Should it echo weirdly? I'm running everything through like... Fuck, I just realized my audio setup became complicated like it was before. It probably doesn't need to be this complicated. I don't know. Testing, test, test. Oh, I need a stand. It doesn't come with one. I don't know why. If you bump and move, will it make tons of noise? Yeah, because I don't have this thing. I don't have that for this yet. I can buy one though. How does the piano sound? It should be the exact same thing. Why is it complicated? Isn't it just two mics into a mixer? I have my baby bottle that connects to my channel strip that connects to my mixer. And then I have a Re20 that connects to a cloud lifter that goes into a channel strip that goes into a mixer. It's just a lot of, I just have like a lot of cords running around now. I don't know if I need like a full-on fucking channel strip. I feel like I probably could have just, no, well, because of the built-in compressor, it's probably nice. I don't know. It's probably okay, fuck it. Makes my shit look big dickin'. Fuck, I feel like I cucked irrelevance content. Now I feel bad. What is your goal to reduce background noise? Am I hitting noise somewhere? What is my goal? Oh, I just need a second mic for people to talk on. So like if if Melina wants to jump on or somebody's here, we can just both sit and talk rather than having to pass a microphone back and forth. I feel like I hear... Now you can't do the mic grab block. Yeah, I'll figure it out. There's a little hum. Did people really not hear that well with just one mic? I don't know. It's just easier to have like... It's just better to have two. I think it looks nicer. I think Anna simply did get her to admit she lied about you. Yeah, but then she said, no, I didn't say anything. She said I didn't say anything false at all. So once she said that, I was like, okay, fuck it, this bitch is... There's a hum. There is a hum. I don't know where it's coming from. Preamp? Test, test. Testing, 1, 2, test. Is it gone? Testing. It was better, but it came back immediately. Oh, man. Oh, fuck me, dude. I have no idea where that, I don't know where that little buzz is coming from. I think it might be picking up your PC since it's not shock mounted. No, there's a little buzz. Check the cords and see if they're touching. They're XLR cables. I don't think XLR cables, it doesn't matter. They're powered, it's like a powered connection, right?
Steven, can you unban me? A bear attack tonight might be banned. I was on a measly walk and he destroyed my gentle human body.
Don't know, it's not, oh, it's because I had this, sorry. Just noise gate it? No, why the fuck would I just noise gate it? XLR does still buzz from touching. You can put electricity, but you can't stop it from touching. There's no shot. I'll go wiggle some cords around. Okay, I'm going to turn this shit up and then wiggle some cords around. 1 second. No. I'm using very short cords too, so. Test, test. Test, test. Testing. I wonder if there's a chance it's gone? Yeah, it's going away when I'm turning down the fucking channel completely. Is it gone here? Or is it still there? Well, no. Now the buzz you're hearing is the AC. Fuck. Pull the cables out and back in again to see if it's static. If it is, get some ground loop noise. I don't want to buy more shit. Hold on, this is really loud now. Oh wait, is it? No, it's not. It's just a little loud. I feel like if I scream on it... Oh no, because the compressor's kicking on. Test, test. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to see... I don't know what the background noise is right now. I think it's my fucking AC. It has to be coming from the 48 volt from the channel strip. It's being lifted by the cloud lifter, so nothing you do to the mic or the cable will fix it unless it's addressed at the channel strip. Wait, where do you think the cloud lifter goes? Wait, my cloud lifter is supposed to go between the mic and the channel strip, right? Or does the cloud lifter go between the channel strip and the mixer? Between a low output dynamic ribbon or tube mic and the mixing console.
Step
sure
2.
it goes right
Connect
after
the cloud
the-
lifter's input to any dynamic ribbon. Power will not pass through the cloud lifter, making it safe to use with ribbon microphones. To cloud lift microphone.
Any issue that's coming from the channel strip will be lifted by the cloud lifter. Any issue coming from the channel strip will be lifted by the cloud lifter. That's not true, is it? I thought the cloud lifter just applies gain to my microphone. So it shouldn't be affecting anything in the channel strip. That's before, the cloud lifter is before any signal even gets to the channel strip now. Turn it down. Turn what down? I can't turn the cloud lifter down. Test, test. Hold on. Test, test. Damn, I like the sound of this better. Wait, I think it's because it's just quieter. Test, test. This sounds really cold. Test. Hold on. Testing, test. Okay, test, test. Testing, 1, 2. Test, test. Test. Fuck. Okay, I'll probably fuck with this tomorrow morning. This is, I don't need to be as close to this either. Okay, this is the Re 2020. And then this is my baby bottle. Yes, turn the gain down. The Re 20 needs to be close to your mouth in the blue. I don't think so. I think because if I talk right into this right here, I don't actually think this sounds that
A lot of
good.
USB cables don't have sufficient grounding and shielding. For audio, if you've swapped around or switched...
No, I'm not using USB cables for this. And then everything else is XLR, right? Testing. Wait. Okay. This is when I speak like away from this. I have a little bit of distance between me and the Re 2020. I keep saying Re 2020. It's Re 20. I don't know how you... Or it's RE20. Re 20... The RE20 is fine. No noise. It's air conditioner for both. Oh, true. Actually, I can just turn... This is the baby bottle. And then I just turn up the Re 20 and see if I hear a buzz. Why are people obsessed with cloud lifters? Because dynamic mics sometimes need a fuck ton of gain, and it's hard to get really clean gain from just a mixer. And even some channel strips won't give you enough. Okay, test, test. Okay. I think this should be fine. I don't think there's a buzz. I don't know why it went away. I don't think I actually changed anything. It's a known problem with Re20s. Wait, what? Every microphone should buzz, but there's no way it's a known issue that this microphone buzzes. It's like a $400 or $500 mic. It shouldn't just buzz. That's insane. Fourth comment in the thread. Fourth comment or fourth post? 1, 2, 3. This is a known issue that had been made past 2012. Wait, what? Try it without the cloud lifter? Really? I don't know if my XLR cables that I bought are long enough without the cloud lifter. The cloud lifter, shouldn't you theoretically be able to apply the cloud lifter to literally any microphone? Like all it's doing is adding gain. Like like theoretically, if I really didn't want to use the cloud lifter, I could just plug in a cloud lifter and turn the gain down at the channel strip, right? The gain that comes from the cloud lifter should be cleaner than basically any device in like any consumer level system, or even a lot of professional ones now. It's just a preamp? Yeah, but it's preamp with really, really, really clean gain. So if I unplug the cloud lifter and I get the gain from the from my channel strip instead, the cloud lifter gain is probably going to be cleaner. Would be my guess. My AC is still on, waiting for it to turn off. What does clean gain mean? I don't know, dude. Gain has to do with the input level that the microphone has before you're getting to the mixer, before you're doing any volume or whatever. Gain is turning up the signal coming from the mic. If you've got really dirty gain, then when you boost the signal from the mic, sometimes you catch a lot of buzzy, noisy, like overdriven audio. There's a bunch of dog shit that happens. Clean gain is when you amplify the signal cleanly, so you get a larger signal, or signal higher amplitude, I guess, coming from the microphone, but it's not getting distorted or fucked with or anything. I could just turn my heater on. Hold on. Or turn the AC off. 1 sec. All right, test. I feel like I hear some, maybe not. No, I don't think so. Wait. What could it possibly be picking up noise from? Oh. I could try to plug. Let's just try something real quick. I don't know what's about to happen. I'm just going to switch the XLR plugs on my baby bottle to my Re20 and see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen. Hello? 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 Test. Testing, test. Okay. So this is a totally different channel strip. It's still the same mixer, but I can still hear that little buzz there. Can you hear the buzz? Sorry, I had to turn the gain up a ton because my cloud lifter is... Now the cloud lifter is not connected to this microphone. It sounds worse? Yeah, because the cloud lifter is not connected on this audio chain. Hold on. Test. Test, test, test. Yeah, fuck this. Testing? Dude, why? Oh god, there's a... It could be interference with a device that is in close proximity to either cable or the... Yeah, but it's only on this microphone. Hold on, because when I turn this mic off and I switch back to my baby bottle, there's nothing. I don't hear any noise at all here. So I don't think the... So that means the noise is probably not on the mixer, right? Both have noise? The little buzz noise? No, hold on. I'm turning this channel up a lot. One sec. I don't think there's... You hear that? For the Re20, do you hear that little... There's noise on the Re20. That noise is not here on this mic. I don't hear a hum at all on this. It is, but lower? I don't believe you. It's still there? I hear it clear as day right here. Is that like, is that... It's this, right? It's the AC. Wait. No, it's this. It's the 61. Fuck me. Get to the drama? There's no drama. I'm literally just doing mic shit right now, you fucking retard. And then I'm going to sleep. Could it be the microphone? Flip on the low end cutoff on your mic? If it's, I don't, wait. Jesus, how aggressive is that high pass? Hold on, test, 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 1, 2. Testing. 1, 2. Test, test. Wait, did that chop off a fuck ton of my voice? Or am I crazy? Hold on. Testing. 1, 2. Test, test, test. Testing. 1, 2. Test, test, test. Testing. 1, 2. This sounds like a really aggressive high-pass filter. Testing. 1, 2. Jeez, whatever. Maybe for recording, like, instruments? It's a broadcast mic, so it makes sense for radio? Yeah, maybe. The guy typing to you is streaming you. Does he know anything about microphones?
You know, broadcast mic, schmodcast mic. If it's good for a voice, it's good for an instrument.
He owned an audio. He's an audio engineer. Wait, is he really? Does your mixer input to computer using USB? Yeah, but the problem is I don't believe it's my mixer. It's the audio chain involving my...
He owned an audio...
It's the audio chain. It's not even the audio chain, because listen. Well, you guys are saying you hear the noise, but I don't. If I turn down... So this microphone is on channel 2. If I turn off channel 2 and I turn up channel 1, I don't hear that noise. I'm turning on my baby bottle. Now I feel like the noise is gone. I feel like I don't hear the noise anymore. Right? This is... I'm going to turn my monitor down. Okay, test. I'm turning this up a lot. This is getting really, really, really loud. I'm turning this up a ton. I can't even hear it right now. I've turned my monitor off. So this is really loud. Do you hear the noise? This is with this channel. Very, 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 very loud. I don't know if the noise is there. I can't hear it. Okay, this channel is almost maxed. Okay. Now I'm back to normal here. Okay, monitor's back on. Okay, now I'm going to shut off channel 1. This is channel 2 now at just half. Now I'm boosting it a little bit. I hear the noise. I'm gonna turn my monitor off. I'm gonna boost this microphone a lot. Channel 2, not boosted, I'm sorry. Okay, channel 2 is very, 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 very loud. Can you hear that buzz? Okay, now so channel 2 is maxed. I'm gonna turn on channel 1, max. Hello, hello. Okay, I'm gonna drop channel 2, and we're gonna see if the buzz goes away with channel 1 still maxed. Did that drop the sound? Is the noise gone? I hope you guys aren't hearing my PC fans. Tune each mic to one side. Oh, true. Hold on. Okay, let's try this. I very clearly hear the noise on the right side. Like I very, very, very clearly hear it. Or here, let me make these scene appropriate. Now I very clearly hear it on the left side. That's this microphone. So I'm gonna boost the I'm gonna boost both again. Is there a difference between the left and the right channel where the electrical interference noise is? Okay. Is there a chance that it's actually the fucking microphone? I got a refurbed microphone from Amazon. I didn't mean to. Fuck me, dude. Fan right, noise left. Yeah, it's this. It's this. I didn't even know I'd selected a refurbed fucking microphone. And then they gave me a fucking, it came with a little refurb thing. It probably is just the mic. What are the chances, though? Would the microphone be causing an issue, though? Because look, how many layers removed are we? How far removed is the microphone from the actual power? Like, would the microphone be causing a buzz? Because the buzz sounds like a power buzz. Like, it would have to be happening through, like, either the channel strip or the mixer. That's what I would assume. Slight static on the left. I don't think it's much of an issue, though, at normal volume. Yeah, but it's still the fact that it... Does the mic have a directional setting on it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Unplug the mic. Oh, yeah, true. Actually, wait, hold on. Yeah, why the fuck didn't I try that? Let's see what happens when I unplug the mic. Wait, can you hear that? I hear noise still. Do you hear the noise? There is noise. So the noise is coming from it's from the channel strip somehow. It's not necessarily from the channel strip, but it's from this audio chain, I think. Coming from the mixer? Well, let me try... I could swap the channels on the mixer. Well, hold on. Test. Yeah, I could swap channel 1 and 2 on the mixer. I'm gonna do that, hold on. Test. Nope, you still hear it, right? Now it's on channel 1. This is the baby bottle channel. This channel is clean. There's nothing. Even if I turn the channel up, this is fine. What's the signal chain? Okay, so it's this mic, it goes to a cloud lifter, and then it goes to a Pro Channel 2 audio strip, channel strip, and then that goes to the mixer. So the problem right now is happening somewhere. I don't need to take a fucking picture of this. Are there buttons on the cloud lifter you can push? What I could do is I could unplug the cloud lifter and see if the thing goes away. Let's just check that. I told you it's a shitty cloud lifter. No, shut up. It can't be that. It shouldn't be that. It's literally a micro fucking preamp. It has one job. If it's the cloud lifter, that's fucking retarded. Hold on. Okay, baby bottle channel is clean. You can hear it when you hit the desk. That's because I don't have
Ask Quiznos for mic advice.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna unplug the input from to the mixer. Okay, I'm gonna do channel 2 volume up, and we'll see if we hear anything. Is that buzz okay, or is that a bad buzz? Okay, so that's only coming just from the channel strip. That's a $400 channel strip, $500 channel strip. What does it mean if it's giving me a buzz? That's wild. It's this. Electrical buzzing, low and angry. What's the model? It's called an Art Pro Channel 2 tube channel strip. Is it grounded? Well, everything is the exact same as the, maybe I plugged it into a different thing. Eh? Let me check, hold on.
Unplugged or Logi mouse pad, it's most likely the wireless charging causing the noise.
Oh shit. I left. I just assumed that my internet was fucked for the night. I think I unplugged something. Sorry, hold on. Wait, I can't tell if it went away or if... No, the air conditioner is just masking it. How are you feeling? Okay, I just... Grounding issues on amps. I don't think I have ever learned to fix these. I usually just fuck around with stuff until somehow it magically goes away. I wonder what... I'm gonna try switching the power cables. And we'll see if that does anything. Like, because it's both the same channel strip, I should just switch one power cable out with the other. Can you try bypassing the ART preamp? Well... No, I think we've narrowed it down to, it has to be the channel strip. Because I tried plugging the microphones into different channel strips, and I still got the buzz on the one channel strip. And even when I unplugged the microphone, it still came from that channel strip. And then when I switched to the channels on my mixer, I was still getting the buzz. So it's the channel strip is causing it. I don't know why. I'm gonna switch the power cables. We'll see if that helps. Hold on one sec. Test. Wait, hold on one sec. I'm gonna turn the AC off. I think it's the channel strip. This is the baby bottle. Same. This channel strip seems like it's been good. I swapped the power cables. And I still hear the buzz on this channel strip. That's wild. Fuck, why? Do you think it's because I put one channel strip on top of the other? Should I switch like their place in space? Like that. I mean, these are designed to go in racks. It should be okay to sit on top of the other thing, right? Try the baby bottle again. Test, test. I'm jacking this a lot up. I'm gonna max this, hold on. Or actually here, I'll turn both up, but I'm gonna do the channels. Fuck me. Can you hear the interference in just one channel? Wait, this actually sounds okay. I think. Wait, did it go away somehow? Holy shit. Okay, baby bottle. This is our baby bottle, baby bottle. Baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby Mel. This is the Re20. Okay, I don't think I hear... Okay, I can't hear anything. It's whatever happened, I think it's gone. Fuck it. I think we did it. I don't care. I'm good. Testing, testing. Test, test, test. This is the... Fuck, whoops. Okay, Re20 mic is good. Yeah, I think this sounds fine. However, I think I still like this mic more. I like this baby bottle. Fuck me. Testing, test. I feel like I like the baby bottle more. Testing, 1, 2. Test, test, test. This is me just talking normally. I'm just chatting. Having a gay old time. Chatting with my good friends in DGG. Now I'm going to come back to this Re20. The Re20 microphone. This is a renowned radio voice mic. Is it because I'm quieter? The buzz is still there. If it's there, it's way quieter. I'm okay with it. I don't care. No, it's not quieter. Wait, now I can hear it again. Testing, 1, 2. It might be, I mean, like, I have, like, gain turned up on this more than the other one. Maybe fucking with the impedance on the thing would change it? I don't know if that would affect it or not, though. Sounds better because the baby bottle has more high compared to the Re20, which has more mid-range. I don't want to EQ away anything, right? Testing, 1, 2, test, test. Testing. Test. Testing, 1, 2, test, test, test. There's absolutely excessive ground loop interference in the Re20. Well, what? That's pretty lame. Is there a phase button on the Art Pro 2? Yeah, but I don't think phasing will change anything, no? Like doing a phase inversion? I inverted it now, but I don't think that changes literally anything at all, unlike most microphones, right? Testing, 1, 2, test, test, test. Test, test, testing, test, test, test. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, test, test. I feel like this is still a little quiet compared to my normal mic. Hold on. Testing, 1, 2. Test, test, test. I'm barely hitting the 10 on this. If I turn this down. Testing, 1, 2. It's a tad quiet. I think maybe like the channel strip needs to like warm up for like a day or two. Like maybe with use it'll go away because they're like tubes and they need like to get worn in. Am I like deluding myself? Could that possibly be the thing? Use background music. I mean, if there's any music at all, you're not going to hear anything. How old is your strip? This one, I literally just unpacked it and plugged it in today. I mean, obviously you're not gonna hear any fucking background noise if I've got music playing. I mean, it's slight. I mean, you're only hearing it like in the most exposed setting, and it probably sounds even worse because you can hear like the ambient background noises too. What is the channel strip model? It's an Art Pro Channel 2. We can't see. Oh, hi. Whatever. I mean, it's a guest mic for now. I don't give a fuck. Talk to Naze Gordon. Hello, are you the audio guy?
Yes, I am.
Hello, goodness. Are you the audio guy? Wait, I think you're... Oh,
yes, I am.
You gotta close my YouTube stream because it's looping now.
Let me a second. Oh, I think you right there. I'm not that much of a noob. How's it going, bro?
Pretty good, buddy. How you doing?
I'm good, man. So there's a lot of people that have no idea what they're talking about that are telling you what to do in this chat, but your microphone sounds perfect right now. I wouldn't change anything right now. The way you've got it, everything's fine. And you just said you added some new equipment, so anytime you're dealing with audio and all of a sudden there's a noise and it wasn't there before, that's definitely what the problem was. We've introduced some new software, not software, but new hardware. You've said a power strip and a different microphone, and that microphone, it was really what I was hearing was just room noise. It was the background. I heard a hissing, which sounded like some microphones pick up background noise more than others. That might be good to record a drum set from, like an overhead type situation, or a concert or something outside, and where your other mic is just getting a proximity of you in the general vicinity where it's not picking up all the hiss behind you. So that one mic you were using, I believe you said it was a blue mic possibly or something. That thing sounds great. And if you have to replace your power strip, then that might be it. Everyone else, I'm talking to a couple of your people, and they're saying, dude, we hear 60 cycles hum. We hear 60 cycles hum. That is usually ground related, and it's usually related to a crappy power strip. So, you just got a new one. You might want to get a better one.
Okay. I'll keep that in mind.
Cool, but right now you're perfect.
Percent.
Your sound's perfect. You sound amazing.
Well, thanks a lot. All right. Well, hey, I'm going to head to bed. I appreciate it, buddy. Good luck.
Okay.
Yeah, bye. I'm going to... Maybe tomorrow it'll be gone. This does bother me. I do hear it. But I don't hear it on this. But I bet it's because maybe it's the preamp. If I did the same settings on the bot, because technically the amp settings on the amp settings between my two channel strips are different. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Hello? Yeah, fuck. Try to move the power. Okay, yeah. It needs to warm up. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Peace out. Good luck. Good night.